Okay, this is a Lennox custom heat mid-efficient furnace. And the inducer fan is making a whole lot of noise. We'll turn it on. So that's this guy here. Bearings in it are probably shot, and we're going to replace it. Okay, so you want to disconnect the screws holding it to the vent, and then there's about 6 screws attaching to the bracket of this thing. Just take those apart, fairly easy, and unplug the plug. Plug is plugged in down here. I already unplugged it right here. Okay, old motor is out. This is the panel off the furnace. Comes with a new gasket. Put your new gasket on there. Put the new motor on. And then you just hook up the screws from the other side. And then screw it back in. And plug it back together. And you're done. Okay. Motor is replaced, and we're going to turn it on and we'll hear how much quieter it is. There we go. And the furnace is fixed.